Annie Lisette. Go ahead.
Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Good afternoon. Speaking in the Christmas. Christmas in the Dominican Republic is one of the most important and celebrated holidays of the year. It begins in November with the start of the Christmas season and stays until 3 days in January. During this period, families gather to share dinner, especially turkey or beef, and enjoy typical music and merengue and bachata.